I am Naomi. Instead of wearing that boring hair extension, every now and then you do one hairstyle. Please try to do something new and add a little tricks or beauty. Before I show you how to, welcome to my channel and please remember to subscribe for new video updates. This is my extension, and the first step, I spread a little bit. I spread to the back, and this is how it looks like after putting a knot on the first layer. Now I'll take the remaining part backwards and put a clip or a pin. You see? There is no magics here, it's just direct. For the second one, I coil to the back, round and round. Then I pull it back to create that flower. And that is it. It's very simple. But now you see the results I'm enjoying. Even if you wake up late or you are in a hurry, this one won't take much of your time. Only few seconds and you are ready to go. You see? Add a little beauty. And that is it. You see how beautiful it is. The look looks like it's rough, but it brings out that good floweriness. Now you know you don't have to struggle anymore. You don't even need to go to the hairdresser. You just wake up in the morning and do it yourself.